Safety first, policies shift fast. Verify local rules, considering solar or a heat pump. Here's what changed in 2026. Stop! Before you invest in solar or a new heat pump in 2026, you need to know, the game has officially changed. The era of universal federal tax credits for air source heat pumps is over. If you aren't looking at your specific state's new programs right now, you are leaving up to $14,000 on the table. The OBBB Act reshapes incentives, phasing out several federal credits and moving benefits to state programs. States like New York and California pivot to HEEHRA with new rules and timelines. These are point-of-sale rebates, instant savings on invoices, not next year's taxes. The One Big Beautiful Bill, OBBB Act has triggered the phase-out of several federal incentives, with major programs like Section 45L for new homes sunsetting for any project starting after June 30, 2026. But here's the good news. States like New York and California have pivoted to the HEEHRA program. Unlike old tax credits, these are point-of-sale rebates. Low-income households can get up to $8,000 for a heat pump and $4,000 for an electrical panel upgrade. That's instant cash off your invoice, not a wait for tax season. Funds are limited in CA, CO, and MA. Allocations can be reserved quickly. Demand in Southern California is high, many single-family rebates filled early. New launches target mobile homes and multifamily buildings. Check eligibility windows now. But you have to act fast. In California, HEEHRA funds for single-family homes in many regions were fully reserved as of January 2026. Meanwhile, states like Colorado are just now launching their HEEHRA programs for mobile homes and large buildings. In Massachusetts, you can still find rebates up to $8,500 for whole home conversions. Every state has different rules and different pots of money, and once the budget is reserved, it's gone. Your checklist: verify income, choose state-approved installers, confirm program status. Why is local advice more important than federal news in 2026? Because these rebates are state-administered and require state-approved contractors to qualify. If you pick the wrong installer, you get zero rebates. You must verify your local area median income to see if you qualify for the full $8,000. For the latest updates on your state's funding status, subscribe to the Lumen House Guide. We help you navigate the 2026 energy shift. Subscribe now. Subscribe for state updates and rebate alerts. Don't miss funding.